Hi guys, we've got a 2014 Honda CRV in today with a PGM-F1 fault on the dash, which isn't really clear to what it might be. We've eventually found the fault and I'm just going to run you through what it was. So we've scanned the codes with a snap-on scanner. We've got P16D1, which is number 3 glow plug open circuit. So we've got a fault with number 3 glow plug, and the glow plugs count number 1 being the cam chain side and number 4 being the gearbox side. I've just got my socket on it there, so we're ready to get that out and replace it. If you haven't got a diagnostic machine and you want to test the glow plug with a multimeter, you can do. Most glow plugs can be tested in situ, but they're quite tricky to get out on this model, so you will have to take them out to test them. But I'll just show you how to do it quick. So you get your multimeter, you want to set on the continuity setting, which is that one there. It's a really simple test. Just try and mount the camera up. You've got your 2 probes, and basically they make a noise to say that there's circuit running through them. And then all you want to do is put one on the thread of your glow plug, and then one on the post there, and you can see there's no continuity through that, no resistance through it at all. That's why it's not making a bleep. Put it directly to it, there is. So that's saying that glow plug's completely open circuit, there's no feed through it, so it's not going to work at all. That's it. And now that we've replaced the glow plug, I'm just going to clear that code out. Go back out, back in again. Oh, that code wasn't clear before. There we go, all cleared. Let's turn her back off, start her up. There you go, we've now got no warning left at all. And no little eye for the info light either. So that's that one. Hope the video helped you guys. If you liked it, just click subscribe. Thanks. Bye.